Hi students, today we are going to learn an interesting lesson, 2.2 Stories on Strings. India is a land of colorful and exciting puppet traditions, found in every corner of our country, north, south, east and west. Each region has its own special style. These puppets tell wonderful stories. In the north, especially Rajasthan, the bright and dancing Kathputli puppets perform tales of brave kings and clever queens. The south states like Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are famous for Bommalattam puppets. These puppets are large, beautifully carved, and made with great skill. Traditionally, Bommalattam was used in temple festivals and village gatherings to tell stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and local legends. Because the puppets could move their hands, head, and even eyes very smoothly, they were used to teach moral values and entertain people during celebrations. The performers believed puppets brought blessings and joy wherever they were shown. In Andhra Pradesh, the shining leather Tholu Bommalata puppets create magical shadow pictures on a white screen. Traditionally, Tholu Bommalata was used to tell sacred stories, especially episodes from the Ramayana. Through the glowing shadows, music, and expressive movements, they taught people important lessons about good behavior, kindness, bravery, and truth. The shadow puppets were also believed to please the village deities and bring harmony ekopa nirman kartat. And in Odisha and Bengal, the tiny rod puppets slide, jump and twist in funny ways. These wonderful puppets sing, dance, act and even teach us beautiful stories from India's rich culture.
Watching a puppet show feels like seeing a fairy tale come alive. Puppet shows are not only interesting but also full of fun and surprises.
Sometimes the puppets do silly things that make everyone laugh. Imagine a puppet king who keeps dropping his crown again and again, or a puppet parrot that talks non-stop until even the puppeteer acts tired. In some shows, a puppet suddenly sneezes, loudly achoo, and the audience bursts into giggles. A naughty puppet may try to escape from the stage, and the puppeteer quickly pulls the strings to catch it before it runs away. These funny moments make puppet shows exciting. Because you never know what the puppet will do next. कारण पुढच्या क्षणी बाहुली काय करेल हे कधीच सांगता येत नाही. That is why puppet forms of India continue to entertain children and adults alike, keeping our old traditions alive in a joyful and playful way.